On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don tell Edo people say make dem put body for social health insurance scheme. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tell Edo State people say make dem go register for the state social health insurance scheme, the one wey dey under Edo State Health Improvement Program Edo-HIS. As e be say e dey on top how dem go fit get better health care matter for the state. Obaseki talk this one when dem dey do the International Health Coverage Day wey United Nations wey be dey do and many health programs dem. E tok say as dem mark International Health Coverage Day, im wan tell Edo people for the state say make dem put body for the enrollment matter wey dey shele for social health insurance scheme, as this one go help dem fit gain well for the healthcare program wey state government do for ground for Edo people. E tok say as government dem go continue to see say dem put eye to see say the scheme e dey work well and everybody for the society and for the state dem dey enjoy ogbonge healthcare service, as this one dey on top their plan to fit change the face of primary healthcare system for Edo. We can see governor talk say Edo state government don put body for state primary healthcare system, as e be say na this one na im go fit answer all the unu wey dey affect Edo people on top health matter for the state. E con talk say when dem bin launch Edo State Social Health Insurance Scheme, the one wey dey under Edo-HIS, say 4,500 people na im don register for the scheme to fit enjoy ogbonge gain wey dey on top this program. E tok say social health insurance scheme and basic healthcare provision fund BHCPF for the state dey do ogbonge collabo with federal government, as e be say their plan na to chook eye for healthcare money matter and to see say people wey no get money on top health matter dem fit get ogbonge healthcare. Governor Obaseki con talk say the name wey the International Health Coverage Day bin get wey be keep the promise, say im administration go waka on top am to see say dem work well unto how better healthcare matter go tanda well for Edo people. E tok say state government don put better money for health insurance scheme for the 2020 budget, as e be say more than 2 million na im dem put for health insurance and other programs dem wey go fit tanda the life of the people wey dey Edo well. Na here we see am reach on top inside Edo today, as Obaseki don tell Edo people say make dem put body well for social health insurance scheme, as e be say when dem register for the program, e go give dem better opportunity to fit gain from the program. Make una come sabi say dis ogbonge and clear informate wey reach una so na T Live Media na im dey knack am give una on top inside Edo today. To continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.